Good morning. I was trying to do black coffee first thing in the morning, and I did it for a while, but I just can't bring myself to like it. And I like my ritual in the morning of having a little bit of cream in my coffee, so I'm having a tablespoon of cream in my coffee. So you could call that a dirty fast. You could call that not a fast at all. But that's what I have been doing. I'm still going to add my fasting drops because I like that little bit of saltiness in the coffee and the electrolytes to balance me in the morning. I am going to sip on this, and then when I start feeling hungry, I'll do my athletic greens. It's about 10:45 now, and I'm just waiting for Charity's piano lesson to finish. And usually this is about the time that I eat my first meal, but we have some plans today, and so I was trying to push it a little bit. This afternoon, after piano lessons, we're going to head home and pick everybody else up. My brother and sister are in town from Texas, so we're doing all kinds of fun things these days. And we are going to go to the river. Actually, first we're going to go get lunch at Killer Burger. My brother had never had Killer Burger before. I'm not sure how far-reaching Killer Burgers are, but there's several of them here in the Portland, Oregon area, and it's one of our favorites. It's super good. So we're going to go to Killer Burger for lunch at around 12:30 or so, and then after that we're going to go to the river and do some inner tubing and just swimming and having a fun river day. So I didn't want to eat my first meal now and then be going to Killer Burger in just an hour or two. So I decided to just make myself a second cup of coffee for the morning, and I just drank that on our drive here to piano lessons, and that is holding me just fine. And then I will have a big lunch when we get to Killer Burger. I do still find it amazing how much my appetite has regulated since I've gotten some of my nutrients dialed in. Taking the athletic greens, like I've told you, has just completely changed my satiety and my hunger and my ability to fast. And then I'm sure that the iron infusion and getting my iron at correct levels will help, or is helping, to regulate my appetite even further. I just can't believe how much I was having nutrient hunger and my body stimulating me to want to eat just because I wasn't getting all those nutrients that I needed. Even though I was eating such a super healthy diet, my body was not getting all those nutrients that it needed. So that hit of bioavailable nutrition right there in the morning from the athletic greens, it just takes away my appetite. And just helps me to, be able to actually hear my appetite more efficiently and feel my full signals and my hunger signals, and everything just, it's like the static was cleared out. Super happy about that.
We're gonna eat burgers.
Yeah.
Killer Burger.
But it has a word, two words.
What words does it say?
Killer Burger, but I don't know.
Killer Burger.
I don't know what the other one is called.
Lunchtime, bacon, blue cheese, pickles, double patty. Good?
Yeah.
No, now you're wrong. You tell me wrong, you are right, you are wrong. How big? That big?
I'm scared.
No, fish.
Hey, there was fish.
Where?
He just jumped.
I was going to put my face in one.
Say that again? You sound funny.
Save me.
Maybe fine.
For a snack here at the river, I'm going to have a chomp stick and 2 pieces of this smoked black pepper Tillamook cheese. And I am also going to have an orange Waterloo. We are home from the river now, and I wanted to relax with a cup of coffee, but it's already after 5 p.m., so too late for caffeine. So I'm having decaf espresso with a little bit of cream and some electrolyte drops. I am having a very simple dinner of leftovers tonight. Got 2 chicken drumsticks. They were seasoned with Pork King Good ranch seasoning, and then I'm just having 2 slices of my best egg white loaf bread recipe with a teaspoon of butter on each, and this should be the last thing that I have for the day. Here's my calorie and macro breakdown for the day. I got a total of 1,917 calories, 144.4 grams of protein, and that was 33.6% of my calories, 119.7 grams of fat, that was 62.7% of my calories, and 15.7 total carbs, and that was 3.6% of my calories. Thanks so much for hanging out with us on our fun river day. Hope you guys are doing great. I'll see you again in the next video.